Good morning, children. Welcome once again for the online classes. So, let us continue the chapter of history, that was print culture. We have seen the videos. Two videos we have seen. So, let us continue the chapter and see print culture and the modern world. In the last video, we have seen how people took interest in reading the books. Now let us see in 19th century what happened. In 19th century, there was a vast increase in literacy rate in Europe. So there was a increase in literacy rate. That means people started learning more and more, and there was a increase in Europe in 19th century. As large number of children, women, workers started reading. So, the result was that a large number of children, women, workers started reading. They got interest in reading, and they came to know more about the print culture and about the world. Primary education was made compulsory in late 19th century in Europe. So what happened? In Europe, primary education was made compulsory in Europe. Why primary education? Because they want to literate their children. That was a compulsory education for the primary section. Or small education was given more means chance, or it was compulsory to everyone, for everyone, that education they should be educated people, or they should go for learning. In which century? In 19th century. In which place? That was in Europe. So the production of school textbooks was increased. So what happened? When it was compulsory, education was compulsory. So what happened? There will be demand of textbooks. So the production of school textbook was increased. Printing press was specially devoted for children. Now we have seen in the last line that printing press was specially devoted for the children. Why we have taken the primary education? So from very small, the children should learn. Children should learn to read and write. So printing press was specially devoted for the children, which was set up in France in 1857. So printing press was specially devoted for whom? For children. Which place? In France. Which year? In 1857. Now, women became important reader as well as writers. See, in the last video we have seen some of the women, they started means reading, and their main hobbies also was there, that they showed interest in reading. Whenever they get extra time, they sit and read, and they were very happy to read. So now the women became important reader as well as writer. So not only the reader, they started writing. Then penny magazines were specially for women. So penny magazine means small magazines, that was specially for the women. Woman novel began to be written in 19th century. So in 19th century what happened? Women became the novel writer. That means the book, different small books, different stories, and they started writing in which century? 19th century. Some popular women novelists. So there were the women who were known as the novelists. Those who wrote the book, they were called as novelists. Jane Austen, Bronte sister, and George Eliot. These three were the women who has written the novel, or the women, they wrote the book, that was So they were known as novelists. So what happened? Women have will, strength, determination and power to link. So after writing, the woman got willpower, the strength, determination and power to think. Power to think. That means they were thinking, so they were writing. They were having strength, determination and power to think. They were thinking and they were writing. In 19th century, leading libraries played a major role in educating workers, artisans and middle class families. So what happened? In 19th century, leading libraries played a major role. So when the libraries were there, in libraries what we get? We get different books. So libraries played a major role in educating workers. So if worker wants the book, different books, where they will go? They will go in the libraries. Artisans, if they want some books, where they will go? They will be going in the libraries. The lower class middle families, where they will go? Where they will get the book? They will get in the libraries. So leading libraries played a role in educating workers, artisans and the lower middle class people. By late 18th century, printing press machine were made up of metal. We have seen in the last video what we have seen. It was made up of printing press was made up of wood block printing were there. Now a person who made a machine, the printing press machine made up of metal. So by what it was made? First it was made of wooden block, isn't it? Wood block printing was there. Now they made like cylinder. The machine was cylinder press was there, and this was made by mid of 19th century, made by Richard Amho. You can just see here. This was made by Richard Amho and his printing press. It was like cylindrical press. It was known as cylindrical press. It was capable, this cylindrical press was capable of printing 8,000 sheets per hour used for printing newspaper. So, this printing press, this cylindrical printing press was capable. That means it can print how much sheet? 8,000 sheets per hour used for printing newspaper. In late 19th century, press was developed which was capable of printing 6 colors at a time. So again we will see, in late 19th century, press was developed. Press was developed which was capable of printing 6 colors at a time. Now the printers and the publishers continuously develop new way to sell their products. So when we are getting we are getting 8,000 sheets and with 6 colors at a time. So what happened? The publishers and the printers continuously what they did? Developed a new way to sell their products. So in 19th century, novels were serialized. Okay, novels were serialized. And in 1930, Great Depression hit Europe. So what happened in 1930? Great Depression. There was a depression. What was it? Let us see. Publishers got scared about their sale. So here what happened? Publishers got scared. Why? If it won't be sold or the sales won't be there, then what will be the? So they were scared about that. So sustain in business. They brought cheap paper black edition. So what happened? Here there was a Great Depression In which year? In 1930. That hit Europe. Then publishers got scared about their sale. So to sustain in business, they brought cheap paper, black edition. India and world of print. So in India, we will see, in India had handwritten manuscript in Sanskrit, Arabic, Persian, as well as various vernacular language. Manuscripts were copied in palm leaves or handmade paper. So in India, hand printing, that was manuscript they were writing, where, in which paper? That was the palm leaf. And in which language? Sanskrit, Arabic, Persian and different other languages. Manuscripts were copied in palm leaves or handmade paper. So this written in different languages were written where? It was written in palm leaves. But manuscripts were expensive. Handwritten were expensive. Why? They were having different style of writing and it takes more time and it was very expensive. So manuscript could not be read easily as the script was written in different style. So manuscript which was written in the palm leaves, it could not be read easily as the script was written in different style. So what happened? Manuscript could not be read easily because it was written in the different style of writing. So it could not be read easily. Print came to India. Now let us see how print came, who brought the print culture in India. As we all know that in India, different country people came for the business. We know that the Britishers came to India, the Portuguese people came to India, the Dutch people came to India, and so many other people also came to India. For what? What was the reason? Because they found that in India, business can be done very easily. But we can see that when the Portuguese people came, they all came. But who was the strongest among all this? They were the Britishers and they ruled our country for a long time. Among that, the Portuguese people from Goa, you all know that whoever came to India for business, they all came from the sea route. As we all know that from down, when we see the face of our Mother India or Mother of India, we will see that the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean. From there, they came through the seaways. The olden days, the British and all, that time it was not so. They came through which way? Through the waterways. For what they came, different people? For the business. So now here also, from the Goa, that is Panjim, the Portuguese people entered in Goa for business. Then what was that? The first printing press came to Goa with Portuguese missionaries. In which century? In 16th century, the Portuguese people came to India. And by 1674, about 50 books were printed in Konkani and Kannada language. Now let us see how the printing book and in which year it was printed. Catholic priest printed first Tamil book in 1579 at Cochin. So children, you have to means remember the year. In 1579, who printed the first Tamil book? The Catholic priest. Here name is not written, but the Catholic priest. Where? 1579 at Kochi. Then Catholic priest also printed first Malayalam book in 1713. Where? Which book? Malayalam book in 1713. Then by 1710, the Dutch Protestant missionaries had printed 32 Tamil texts. So this was the book printed by the Protestant missionaries. From 1780, James Augustus Hickory began editing. From 1780, James Augustus Hickory began editing Bengal Gazette weekly magazine. What was it? It was a weekly magazine, that was Bengal Gazette. So first English print that started in India was Private English Enterprises. Hickory published a lot of advertisement, import and sale of slaves by colonial government, and also about the company senior officials. So here the advertisement import the sale of slaves by the colonial government. Then Warren Hastings, Governor General, persecuted, that means harassment. He has harassed Hickory and encouraged publication that would increase the image of colonial government. At the end of 18th century, Indian newspaper also began publishing first Bengal Gazette, published by Gangadhar Bhattacharya. So what was the newspaper? Indian newspaper also began publishing first Bengal Gazette, published by whom? Gangadhar Bhattacharya. So that's all for this video. Let us continue the same in the next video.